हेलो एभ्रिवान इङ्ग्लिस प्रो च्यानलमा तपाईँलाई स्वागत छ। आजको क्लासमा हामीले जानेछौँ छोटो छोटो सेन्टेन्सहरू। तपाईँ अङ्ग्रेजी बोल्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने तपाईँले यी छोटो छोटो सेन्टेन्सबाट चाहिँ अङ्ग्रेजी बोल्न सुरुवात गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, जुन हाम्रो दैनिक जीवनमा प्रयोगमा आउने गर्छन्। यस्ता सेन्टेन्सहरू तपाईँ अङ्ग्रेजी बोल्नको लागि चाहिँ 2 वर्ड्स सेन्टेन्सबाट पनि अङ्ग्रेजी सुरुवात गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ बोल्नको लागि चाहिँ। ओके, सो भिडियोलाई अन्तिमसम्म नै हेर्नुहोला। मन पर्यो, राम्रो लाग्यो, लाइक गर्नुहोला, भिडियोलाई सेयर पनि गर्नुहोला। सुरु गरौँ। लेट्स बिगिन। बिलिभ मी। बिलिभ मी भनेको मलाई विश्वास गर। बिलिभ मी, मलाई विश्वास गर। आई डिसअग्री। आई डिसअग्री भनेको म असहमत छु। क्लिन अप। क्लिन अप, सरसफाई गर। इट्स अमेजिङ। इट्स अमेजिङ, यो आश्चर्यजनक छ। सिट देयर। सिट देयर, त्यहाँ बस। थिङ्क अगेन। थिङ्क अगेन, फेरि सोच। इट्स फ्यान्टास्टिक। इट्स फ्यान्टास्टिक, यो शानदार छ। आई अग्री। आई अग्री, म सहमत छु। आई अग्री। What else? What else? अरू के? Just coming. Just coming. भर्खर आउँदैछु। I know. I know. मलाई थाहा छ। I know. It's true. It's true. यो साँचो हो। Well done. Well done. धेरै राम्रो, स्याबास, धेरै राम्रो भन्नु पर्यो। Well done. So listen. So listen. त्यसैले सुन्नुहोस्। त्यसैले सुन। So listen. She knows. She knows. उनलाई थाहा छ। Me too. Me too. म पनि। How stupid. How stupid. कति मूर्ख हो। My pleasure. My pleasure. यो मेरो खुसीको कुरा हो। Get out. Get out. बाहिर जाऊ। Take this. Take this. यो ल्याऊ। गर्मी छ अथवा गर्मी भयो। It is hot. It is hot. जाडो छ। It is cold. It is cold. बिहान भयो। It is morning वा is morning. मध्याह्न भयो। Is noon. Is noon. पानी पर्छ। It rains. It rains. 10 बज्यो। 10 बज्यो। Is 10. 12 बजेर 10 मिनेट गयो। It's 10 past 12. It's 10 past 12. दोष भेट्न सजिलो हुन्छ। It is easy to find fault. It is easy to find fault. घोडा लड्यो र आफ्नो खुट्टा भाँच्यो। The horse fell and broke its leg. The horse fell and broke its leg. Who is that? त्यो को हो? Who is that? It's me. It's me. म हुँ। म यहाँ आउँदा 9 बजेको थियो। It was 9 o'clock when I got here. It was 9 o'clock when I got here. आज धेरै चिसो छ। It is too cold today. It is too cold today. बाहिर निकै अँध्यारो छ। It is too dark outside. It is too dark outside. चिच्याउनुको कुनै फाइदा छैन। It's no use shouting. It's no use shouting. आज बिहान पानी पर्दै थियो। It was raining this morning. It was raining this morning. कुरा के हो? What's the matter? What's the matter? मलाई केही जानकारी चाहिएको छ. I need some information. I need some information. तपाईलाई धेरै धन्यवाद. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. तपाईको यात्रा सुखद होस्. Wish you a happy journey. Wish you a happy journey. तिम्रो उन्नति होस्. May you flourish. May you flourish. तपाईको व्यापारमा उन्नति होस्. May you flourish in your business. May you flourish in your business. सुन्नुस् त. Listen please. Listen please. कृपया मलाई पर्खनुहोस्. Wait for me please. Wait for me please. मलाई बोल्न दिनुहोस्. Let me speak. Let me speak. कृपया छेउतिर सर्नुहोस्. Please move aside. Please move aside. उसले जे भन्छ त्यसमा मलाई विश्वास छ. I believe what he says. I believe what he says. म तिमीलाई भेट्ने छैन. I won't see you. I won't see you. हामी आज जान चाहदैनौँ. We don't want to go today. We don't want to go today. यो सम्भव छैन. It is not possible. It is not possible. म यो काम गर्न सक्ने छैन. I won't be able to do this task. I won't be able to do this task. ऊ भात खान मन पराउँदैन. He doesn't like to take rice. He doesn't like to take rice. अस्वीकार गर्नु परेकोमा हामी सबै दुखित छौँ. We are all sorry to refuse. We are all sorry to refuse. म तिम्रा इच्छा अनुसार यो काम गर्न सक्ने छैन. I won't be able to perform this task as you wish. I won't be able to perform this task as you wish. हामी सहमत छैनौँ. We don't agree. We don't agree. म तिमीलाई मद्दत गर्न सक्दिन. I can't help you. I can't help you. मेरो कुनै गुनासो छैन. I have no complaint. I have no complaint. उसले भनेको कुरामा म विश्वास गर्न सक्दिन. I can't believe what he says. I can't believe what he says. यस्तो व्यवहार नगर. Don't behave like this. Don't behave like this. अरूलाई धोका दिनु राम्रो होइन. It is not good to deceive others. It is not good to deceive others. यस्तो उपद्रव कहिल्यै नगर. Never do such a mischief. Never do such a mischief. उसले मेरो निमन्त्रणा अस्वीकार गर्यो. He refused my invitation. He refused my invitation. म महँगो लुगा किन्न सक्दिन. I can't afford to buy expensive clothes. I can't afford to buy expensive clothes. मसँग पैसा छैन. I have no money. I have no money. चाँडै उठ. Rise early. Rise early. नम्र हो. Be polite. Be polite. आफ्नो हात खुट्टा धो. Wash your hands and feet. Wash your hands and feet. आफ्नो दाँत माझ. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. बत्ती बाल. Light the lamp. Light the lamp. हतार गर. Make haste. Make haste. चाँडै फर्क. Come back soon. Come back soon. आफ्नो जुत्ता लगाऊ. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. आफ्नो जुत्ता फुकाल. Put off your shoes. Put off your shoes. आफ्नो नाक सफा गर. Blow your nose. Blow your nose. समयनिष्ठ हो. Be punctual. Be punctual. आफ्नो खाना राम्ररी चबाऊ. Chew your food well. Chew your food well. मूर्ख नबन. Don't be foolish. Don't be foolish. बेकारको कुरा नगर. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. आफ्नै काममा ध्यान देऊ. Mind your own business. अथवा आफ्नो कामसँग काम राख. Mind your own business. झुठो नबोल. Don't tell a lie. Don't tell a lie. सधैँ साँचो बोल. Always speak the truth. Always speak the truth. मन लगाएर काम गर्ने गर. Try to work wholeheartedly. Try to work wholeheartedly. पुरा मन लगाएर सबै एकदम दिल लगाएर भनिन्छ नि एकदमै मन लगाएर काम गर भन्नु पर्यो. Try to work wholeheartedly. सबै तयार राख्नु. Keep everything ready. Keep everything ready. म नफर्केसम्म पर्खनु. म नफर्केसम्म पर्खनु. Wait till I return. Wait till I return. अरूसँग झगडा नगर. Do not quarrel with others. Do not quarrel with others. म सहमत छु. I agree. म सहमत छु. I agree. तपाईको इच्छा. As you like it. As you like it. मलाई लाग्छ तपाईँ एकदम सही हुनुहुन्छ. I think you are quite right. I think you are quite right. मलाई तपाईप्रति दया छ. I feel pity for you. I feel pity for you. ईश्वरको इच्छा. It is God's will. It is God's will. Not required. आवश्यक छैन. Not required. Forget her. उनलाई बिर्सिदेऊ. Forget her. Who else? अरूको. Who else? Understand me. Understand me. मलाई बुझ. Cheer up. Cheer up. खुसी हुनुहोस्. Forget him. उसलाई बिर्सिदेऊ. Forget him. All well. All well. सबै राम्रो. Get ready. Get ready. तयार हो. Stay here. Stay here. यहाँ बस्नुहोस्. Speak aloud. Speak aloud. ठुलो स्वरमा बोल्नुहोस्. Anything else? Anything else? अरू केही? Nothing else. Nothing else. अरू केही छैन. Be careful. सावधान रहनुहोस्. I promise. I promise. म वाचा गर्छु. Keep calm. Keep calm. शान्त रहनुहोस्. Answer me. Answer me. मलाई उत्तर दिनुहोस्. Answer me. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much for watching.